this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually include a position sizer into your MT4. So what you want to go to is search for position sizer EA, and then download the version for your MetaTrader. So in the case of mine, I'm going to be using MT4. So I just click on download position sizer. In the download folder, this will be a zip file. Double click on that to unzip. And then you want to open up your MT4 and go to File, Open Data, click on the MQL4, go on the Export, right click, and paste, sorry. Okay, so once you have this, you will close your MT4 again, and then you will open it up to relaunch it. Once you relaunch this, click on the Expert visor. You should see position sizer. Sorry, you have to uncollapse it. Go under uncollapse and you click on the position sizer. Drag to the chart, open it up. And so this will be the position size. So how does this work? Take for instance this chart over here on the daily. And if I want my stop to be around this candle, I click on this green bar, green line, drag it up. This is the stop loss. And this will fluctuate. This movement will fluctuate in the real chart. Today is the weekend, so the chart is closed. So once this move, you can actually put in 3%. And this will calculate based off how much money you have in the account. In the case of this, my account was $2,000. And then you can see that by risking 3% at this distance, I can only risk 0.01 lot, the position size, and I will lose $82, and that is about 1.826%, the way they size it. So for instance, if I want 5%, I will be risking 137, but it will be adjusted to your account, so you can actually risk 3.72 based off 0.02 lot size. So this will allow you to manage your risk well in the market. So I hope this was useful for you.